Morning, welcome back to week 2. I can't remember actually, I'm not prepared. I've been rushing around this morning because I've got a delivery coming in. I have to clear space. So yesterday was day 8, today's day 9, week 2, and that would mean 54 days to go. So, where do we get up to yesterday? We got the seam sealing done. I used masking tape because I was confident I was going to make an absolute mess. But we're all in there, all seam sealed. The next step is to just go over it lightly with a Scotch pad and wipe it all out, get rid of any dust, oil, grease, whatever. And then we can mix up and we go for the proper paint. But as I said, got some stuff to do work wise, and I'm not sure that today's a good idea to do it, because if that delivery turns up halfway through paint, the paint's going to go off, it's going to be a mess. So I'll see what time the delivery is due, but I've got bits and pieces to do anyway, because I'm going to have to mask off the inside of the glass. I didn't do it for the primer because it was just localized, but I think with the white it's probably likely to go everywhere. Actually probably feels a little bit rough on there already. So I think the best thing to do is mask off the front screen from the inside, and this parcel shelf, I'm not going to paint on top of the parcel shelf, so we'll just block that up and yeah, do the general preparation so that after the deliveries come I can mix the paint up and go for it. Yesterday evening we were supposed to go out for we did go out for a meal. We were supposed to go out for a meal. My mate's going back home. We arranged to go out last night for an Italian, and the traffic was that bad because of the weather, the rain, just traffic jams everywhere. He postponed. We'll go again on Wednesday, but we were already stopped working, we were showered, we were ready to go, so we went anyway. So me, the wife and the 2 kids went out, and but when we got back I whipped this off. So we're actually all clear underneath now, handbrake's out, rear axle's out, and the underneath, sorry, is absolutely clear to clean and do. So what I can do is use the small blocks of time, or you know, when I'm not sure that I've got a big block of time to be able to do a big job like painting the interior, I can do little things underneath. I can be cleaning, I could be de-rusting, I can be sanding this back panel still. So I have actually got enough things to do to sort of push things forward. That is probably around, I was just going to show this again to Dylan. So you can see, I don't know if you can see, mate, but it's double skinned. You can see the floor, but you can't see the floor directly because there's this double skin on there, mate. It's like a torque box because the chassis doesn't go all the way. So it's like jacking point and that there. So we can't have a flap in the floor, I'm afraid, mate. I know you wanted an ashtray. We'll have to think of something else to do with it. I think that's probably it for now. There's a couple of new subscribers now. We're up to 495 subs. So we're not rapidly, but steadily approaching the 500 mark, which is a milestone in YouTube, you know, circles. Obviously it's not 1 million or 200 grand or, you know, anything like that, but yeah, it's something to aim for, and obviously the one after that will be the grand. Thank you, cheers, we'll speak to you tomorrow. Hopefully I can do some little bits and pieces enough to give you, you know, something of interest. We'll see, time will tell. Stay tuned. Ta-da.